Are you an educational institution owner or administrator? Do you wish to increase the admissions in your institute? Are you looking for an easy-to-use communication and student database management solution? So, here's the comprehensive institute management solution. The 3-in-1 R Total app. Trusted by over 1,100 educational institutions, Rubix R Total app is the answer to all your institute management concerns. How does the app benefit you? It simplifies communication with parents and students in regard to homework, attendance, payment, transport, updates, schedule changes, developments, and many such aspects through the simple click of a button. You can also seek parents' and students' consent and feedback on teachers, all through this app. Regardless of whether you run a school, preschool, coaching class, or any other educational institution, the app caters to your requirements. You can now maintain and manage your student database in a simple and effective manner. This app comes with a user authority setting that helps you assign different access levels based on the designation of the staff member. The completely secure R Total app enables the higher authorities to access and know everything that a teacher does on this app. Rubix R Total app increases parents' engagement in their children's academic progress and helps improve the children's performance. They can also share their experiences about the institute through this app, and these positive referrals would help you increase the number of admissions. Implementing the Rubix app helps your institute to strengthen its brand, again leading to increase in the number of enrollments. The students too can share their feedback and reviews. Thus, the app makes your students and their parents the brand ambassadors of your institute. We invite you to join the Rubix108 family and experience the difference. Please call on +91 8928 690 690 for a free demo and to know more about us. You can also email us at info@rubix108.com or visit www.rubix108.com to get more details.